G'day guys, so I'm just testing out this one here. This is the ZV-E1 and I just recently got the firmware upgrade. It's like a license to use it to 120 frames. This one's 100 because we're in the PAL region. Yeah, so I was testing it and it just went all blank like that. And when you press record, it still records, as you see there. So no problems with that. The problem is you notice the screen is black. So I don't know, there's something wrong with it. I tried to turn it off, but yeah, it's not gonna turn off. Here you go, and then you press record. Yeah, it still records, but there's nothing you can do. So yeah, I'm gonna remove the battery and see how this goes. So yeah, I haven't seen any posts like that, but so I tried to replicate everything, turn off the camera, place another battery on it, and it's back to normal. It's working right now. It could be just that hiccup the first time it just did it 120 or 100 frames. I tried it again, and it went around 10 to 15 minutes of normal video recording with audio at 100 frames because we're in the PAL region here. And I tried it with SNQ, so it went around 8 to 10 minutes. So that's not bad. It's a bit cold here on a heater, and it's around 21 degrees. So that's how it is. Interesting, that first one that went haywire, that one where the camera just didn't function, it just recorded around 2 minutes of 100 frames video. And it was on an SD card, the Tough M card. So it's not the fast V90 card, but that's how it is. But hopefully none of you guys has that experience, and hopefully it's not going to happen again. Let's just keep our fingers crossed.